Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing fabulous. So, you know what time it is, boom boom. You know what time it is, boom boom. Time for Rich to eat her dinner. That's what time it is, boom boom. So, today we have got this vintage mac and cheese. I'm not sure whether to keep it in there or take it out. This is it right here. So you can see. There you go. Rebecca told us to get this to try it. So I've done just that. I have done. I went in Iceland and I was like, right, where are they? Are they here? Do I have them? Because you know my Iceland doesn't always have everything in. So I was like, they don't have them in. And I did remember seeing some like the luxury items. And I was like, where were they? But they were a bit further down, so I finally found them. And I have got another dish. And more, I have finally figured out what vegan meal to make. So bear with us, I will get to it. I will get to it. So we've got the luxury mac and cheese right here. It's got breadcrumbs on and it's vintage cheddar mac and cheese with breadcrumbs on. I might tip it out actually to help cool it down a bit more, so we'll take it out. But then I didn't want it to spill because I've just got me thingy, you know. But then I wanted to cool down. Oh, look at the steam, man. Look at the steam. Looks lovely, mind. Nice and creamy. I do apologise for screaming kids if you can't hear screaming kids. My neighbours decided that she's going to continue to break the lockdown and invite her friends over a few days earlier. I mean, they've been doing it all lockdown, so why not? It's quite annoying, actually, considering I've obeyed by the rules all of lockdown. You know, but it is what it is, I suppose. It is what it is. So, we've got the luxury mac and cheese. We've got chicken wings. We've got potato fritters. And I've got some flatbread here as well to make a sandwich. Don't ask. I don't know why. Got some crispy onions here. I'm going to sprinkle on top. And my mac and cheese. I don't know why, because there's already breadcrumbs there. Chloe, lie down. Lie down. These chicken wings I bought the other day from Tesco's. They were on offer, so thought I'll get them. I made them for my son last night, but I didn't have anything last night. Because I had a sandwich earlier on in the day. So I thought I'll make them with him. I've just got water today. These are spicy chicken wings, so shall we try one of these first? On a bite, guys. Just try it on its own. Oh, that's hot. Wow. Those are red hot. Ooh, ow, hot. Ooh, ah, mm. I'm going to let them cool down a bit more. I do have some sauces. Damn it. Have a try this mac and cheese. It's got some of the breadcrumbs on. Oh, that is nice. That's actually really nice. Chloe, lie down. Howie, lie in your bed. You coming? Come and lie in, teddies. I'm not moving that, Chloe. Wake up past that then. Walk around. The dog. She'll not walk around because the cat's lying on the mat. Got some Frank's hot sauce. Let's pop some down there. Chloe, you can walk around. Walk around and just some meal. Hey, honestly, that's the cat. That's the serve the cat. The cat's jumped on the chair. She can't get up. Oh, it's never a simple bloody day when these two. Put her in. Ooh. Did I see that we've got flatbreads as well? I don't know why I bought them. I want to talk about Facebook. Facebooky. So, do you know what annoys me about Facebook? Right? Is you see these posts. Nobody likes me because they don't like my posts or something like that, you know. And you're like, one, it ain't your friggin' content. Two, the person in the picture isn't even you. You're just trying to get people to like your page or like your post. So no, I won't like the post because it's a whole load of crap. It's a whole load of doo-doo. And then like if you're in a local group, and you always see people posting, you know. There's this one woman, right? I see her posts everywhere, like literally everywhere. I do. So yesterday I kind of called her out on it. I went, whereabouts do you live? Like, obviously because she was posting in a group from my area. And she was like, and why do you want to know? I'm like, because I see you posting in quite a few groups. She went, well, you must be in quite a few groups. And I went, well, I'm in one particular group because I grew up in that area. And I'm in this group, what you're posting in now, what has got nothing to do with this group, because I'm living here now. She never answered us back. I kid you not, right? I kid you not. If I can find the post, I'll put the post up, what I wrote a couple of months ago. I wrote a post saying, like, something along the lines of, there's this woman who is posting in every group, where the hell is she from? Nobody's got a clue where she's from. I never mentioned her name, but everybody said the same person. It's this one, it's this one, it's this one. And I never mentioned the woman's name. So it just goes to show. She went, well, I am part of a few groups, and I do run a few groups of my own. And I'm like, do you not have a life? Like, outside of Facebook? Like, why? You know? Honestly, it's like, I don't get her. I really don't get her. I don't get her motive or anything like that. I really don't get her. It's like she has to be involved in everybody's business. Let's see if these have cooled down a bit more. Pick one up and the dog's like, and they're mine. Lovely day, mind. Because it's not mac and cheese again. So thank you for telling us, Rebecca. Remember, guys? Lovely. It's cooled down nicely. And then Another thing about Facebook is these posts what I like, where the posts are about your kids or yourself. When was your child born? What was your child's weight? What was this and what was that? It's like, you do realise you're giving out your child's identity, right? Anybody could commit fraud because you would literally put down everything what is on their birth certificate. Like everything. The place of birth, the date of birth, the full name, the whack. You have literally given a fraudster the perfect opportunity to commit fraud on your child's name. Why do it? Why? It's so infuriating when I see people do this. It's like, and then when you try to tell them, they continue to do it. It's like, I give up. It's like talking to a brick wall. It really is like talking to a brick wall when you see people constantly doing it and you know what it's about. Copy and paste and do it yourself. No thanks. I'll tell you something what happened. Go for your year ago. Because obviously now my son's 18. But before that he had a Facebook. Well, he did have Facebook. And the only way he had it is if I had control of it. So I was allowed to access it whenever I wanted. That was the way it was. Because he was underage. Those were the rules for him to have Facebook. I had to have full access at all times. I could check messages, make sure that nothing iffy was happening or anything like that. One day I thought I'm gonna search his name up on Facebook. Lo and behold, somebody had cloned his account. The full name, his photos, everything. For 24 hours I fought with Facebook to get this account removed. Because they used my son's full identity in this Facebook page. 24 hours I got that account removed. I did do. Because I thought that's how easy it is for them to clone the Facebook account. You know? Mama Bear saw red. Let me just tell you, I saw red. I was not happy at all. Not happy at all. So the vegan meal what I'm going to make, wait, dish, you can't make it into meat. You can't put meat into it as well. But it's lovely. It is lovely. I went along to Tesco's before and I thought, oh, see if they've got the stuff. But they didn't have any in, so I'll have to go to the bigger supermarket to get the stuff. I will. It's easy to make. Easy to make. I remember when I lived in Turkey, this woman tried to test us on how to make it. She was like, so how would you do it then? And I named everything off. She went, alright. I was like, really? I have been taught by his family now. Not completely stupid. But don't people make you laugh when they say something like that? So how do you make it? The only thing is that I don't know the name of it. So that's the only thing. Dog's looking at his eyes. It's a nice one. You kind of baby it's hot. Like spicy hot. You know. And why is he what, baby? He's giving us a puppy eyes. You know. Whoa. Oh. From it. You thought you could have gotten it, didn't you? No, bugger. Huh? I've got kids that way and you've got kids that way. And I went to have a fire last night because I got one of those, one minute I'm going to have to close the window. Cause, so anyway, last night I went to have a fire and it was about 8:30, I was setting everything up to have this fire in like the metal bin. Next door neighbour thought it'd be a good idea to put a friggin' washing out. 8:30 at night. So I wasn't impressed. No. Can't wait for next week. Well, this week, because this will be going up on the Monday. I would love to live in the middle of the countryside, even. No screaming kids, no traffic, just fields and fields and fields for miles around. Was that right? Love to. Can you imagine living in the countryside though? Loved it when I went to Willa. Beautiful place up there. So I mentioned it in another video about going to Willa. On Monday, and I was like, so I posted that video, like the update video, seeing that I was coming back. And later on that night, my sister messaged us, "Are you alright?" I'm like, because I've told nobody. In this particular sister, my both my sisters I don't really talk to. Well, the elder sister I don't talk to at all. But the middle sister I always say wish her happy birthday, and she wishes me happy birthday. And it was like, yeah, we're all good, because I kind of panicked. I was like, because she lives in Scotland and I know I've got a few Scottish viewers. I was like kind of panicking. I was like, Christ, does she kind of watch my videos? I don't know. Oh my God, just watch my videos. Because I haven't told that in my family. The only one who knows is my son. He's literally the only one who knows. No family members. I'm stuffed. I've got 3 wings left. I'm stuffed. I've got 3 wings left. Can't need any more. I fully enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that though. I did. The mac and cheese. I'm pleased they told us to get it. Or to try it. But yeah, I kind of panicked. I was like, so yeah. It was just the way she sent us a message. Are you alright? No one is sending, like, posting that video. I was like, oh shit. So anyways guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along. And if you do like these type of videos, please press like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I know it's a long one. I'll try and cut it down as much as I can. But yeah, comment below about the discussions, what we talked about. Do you see anybody on Facebook who was like that? Does it annoy you? This, that and the other. So yeah. And I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.